Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Bitcoin update for 14th of April. And it seems like Bitcoin has actually managed to get back above the 40,900 region that I actually talked about. Okay, so here we are, and you went to the upside, came to the downside, made a push to the upside, and now it's like you're inside the zone once again. And I told you there was a room a little bit here to actually make a fake out. So this is going to be a very quick update once again on Bitcoin. And if I actually zoom in, the RSI, yesterday we talked about how big of a support level this really is. Okay, so we're waiting for the RSI. Basically, the RSI has been broken, a little bit of a break out there if you actually look at it this way. So what I'm going to show you is a very, very small tiny breakout of the RSI. I'm going to show you this one. So you see that's a very small tiny breakout right there. So you went to the downside, came back above the resistance level. You're breaking out of a resistance from the RSI as well. Potentially now, you're just looking to go a little bit down, back test, and then from the here bounce and start to go back up to this level once again. And that's just how it will be reflecting, to just come a little bit down to the 40,600, maybe start to move to the upside. Now the downside opinion still remains the same. If you start to come down and lose 39,200, won't be good at all for Bitcoin. It won't be good for Bitcoin. It won't be good for altcoins as well. And in the past 2-3 videos, we talked about how Bitcoin might be mirroring exact movement as it happened right over here. Okay, so what happened here could be what is about to happen over here once again. So one more thing that I'm just gonna show you is that I just saw Bitcoin, making a very, very big support level of the 0.786. Look at this. So if I lay down the fib retracements, you can see that 786 is exactly where Bitcoin actually came in and bounced, and this is a big, big level of support. The last time it did that, it started to went to the upside as well. So I'm going to show you this image once again. So here we are. I don't know where this was, maybe somewhere over here. It went up from there to there, yeah, nearly from there to there, and then look what happened. You came down to the 786, and then you bounce off the 786, and then you move to the upside. So that's it for this update. Be careful, you don't want to lose 39,000, and if you start to lose 39,000, I think there's a big, big, big dump ahead of us if we start to lose $39,200. At this point of time, I think it's kind of good, but let's actually predict the next impulsive move to the upside that can actually happen in the future. So you take the top here to the bottom right over there. That's gonna take you all the way. We start to actually go up like this, cross the 0.618 over here, and you're also crossing that big resistance ascending triangle, and then from there you start to go to the upside to the 54,661. But this time it would be also equally important to actually cross 48,000 as well. That would be a huge resistance if you start to cross, boom, then come here, maybe come down again, making a big whooping double top, but we never know at this point of time. What's important is that you must hold this line and you start to actually move to the upside in the next coming days. Now weekend is ahead of us as well. I don't know if it's a good idea to trade it during the weekend, but you never know. Maybe this weekend we don't dump at all, and we're gonna see what happens. And if you want to learn more about all these lines and tradings and whatnot, do check out my technical analysis course. To pay with 29 bucks, you can actually join the Discord. Message me on Discord, and I'm gonna tell you how to pay with crypto for 29 bucks. And I'm gonna see you the next one. I love.